Okay, so moving on with our topic about banks. Today topic is functions of bank. Many of you must be familiar with the different functions provided by the bank because you must have visited banks either alone or with your parents or with some known ones, and you must have seen that banks provide different types of facilities as we read the previous in the previous class. ATMs, both type of cards you see, debit card and credit card. Then there is a uh, locker facility provided by the bank. Different types of transfers, online transfers which can be done to bank these days. NEFT, RTGS, you read about them. Then other facilities which bank provides are: number one, acceptance of deposits. Acceptance of deposits. If any heading is not in your book, please write down. If it is there, just underline so that later on you can take reference. Acceptance of deposits. Acceptance of deposit means that bank collects money from people. Bank collects money from people as deposits and provide interest on it. And provide interest on it. It is the foremost function of bank. From the earlier times when this banking system started, there were two main functions. One was acceptance of deposit, other was lending of loans. These were the two things which were done by the bank. Now there are many other facilities also, but these two still remain the main function of bank. Acceptance of deposit. It invites customer to deposit money and provide interest on it. So there are different types of accounts which can be opened. Different types of deposits are there. We heard about fixed deposit, recurring deposit. So you can deposit money in the bank and bank will provide you interest. Depositing money in the bank is considered safe, uh, and keeping money here and there, investing in wrong places, keeping too much of money at home also is not safe. Therefore, banks where you can deposit money and that money will remain safe. Also, you will get fixed interest. Different banks provide different rates of interest according to your deposits. So you can avail that facility. Number two, lending of funds. Lending of fund means whenever you are in need of money, you can approach bank and you can get loans from there. Lending of money. Banks lend money and collect interest. Normally, the bank lend money and collect interest. This interest is more than the interest provided by the bank on deposit. Always, bank will lend money and collect interest. This interest should be more than the money, the interest which bank provides on deposits. The difference between these two is the major source of income for the banks. But now there are other sources also, like number third, check facilities provided by the bank. Every bank provides check facility, and through these checks you can take out money from the bank. Withdraw, that is called withdraw. You can withdraw money from the bank. Number fourth is remittance of fund. Remittance of fund means whenever required, the bank returns. Remittance means returns or transfer funds from one account to another account. Then there is other allied services. Allied services means bank can on your behalf pay your electricity bill. Bank can pay your premiums on insurances or different type of rents, bank can pay on your behalf. You have to give order to bank to uh, pay your different bills or uh, rents or salaries, right? Like our school, bank collects money on school's behalf. School sends salary to the bank. Bank transfers that salary to the teacher's account. Bank acts as a medium. Bank acts as a medium. It is also a service which is provided by the bank to the customers. I can see one or two students not sitting proper. Sit properly, face the camera. I don't want to take name. Adjust yourself properly. Keep camera in front of you and sit straight, not sideways, not lying down on the bed and sofas. Otherwise, I will remove you quickly. Treat it as a class. Next time if I see, I will take your name. Then come to insurance. Insurance, we have read everything except the three types of insurance. We have read about all type. Only fire insurance and marine insurance. These two are left, fire insurance and marine insurance. These two types of insurances are also very, very important these days, fire insurance and marine insurance. Fire insurance is a policy in which the insurer agrees to compensate against any loss caused by fire. Any loss caused by fire. Fire. Principle of cause proxima. Principle of cause proxima. The exact cause of the loss should be fire only. The exact cause of the loss should be fire only. If the loss is or the damage is because of any other cause, the principle becomes null and void. Then no compensation is paid. No compensation is paid. You can, the insurer can only claim for the loss if it is because of fire. Number two, fire should be accidental. Fire should be accidental. It should not be because of your carelessness, and it should not be deliberate. Deliberate भी नहीं होनी चाहिए बेटा. Deliberate means जानबूझकर, willingly. The goods are set on fire and then you are asking for the claim. It should not be willingly. It should not be deliberate. It should be only what? Accidental. The loss should be actual, which can be measured in the terms of money. Which can be measured in the terms of money. Everybody has the book? Raise your hand. All those who are having book in front of them. Everybody is having the book. Priya Sharma, you have the book?
No, sir.
Then when are you going to purchase the book?
Sir, only business book is not available. I have.
Where? But it is available in the market. The day before yesterday only I saw. Get it, because you have to prepare notes also. You have to do the assignments also. Sanjana, do you have the book?
No, sir.
Then what are you going to learn? When are you going to purchase? When are you going to purchase?
Sir, today.
Please do it. All those who do not have, please do it. Otherwise, it is going to be a loss for you. It's going to be a loss for you. Without book, you just only you are listening. You are not copying down also. You're not writing anything. And you don't have notes. Then it would be a problem afterwards. Already 4th chapter is going on, and we have 6 chapters in first term. And next month, August, in the first week only, or by 10th of August, you will have your tests. You will have your tests. Online tests, beta. It would be oral also, and it would be written also. On the same day when the class begins, I will give you the question quickly, and you will have to answer me. I may also give to write, and immediately in front of my myself, you will have to write the answer and show me in the camera itself, and then afterwards click the photograph and send it to the teacher. So that time you will face problem. These online classes and the tests will be the passing criteria, promotion criteria from 11th to 12th. Your attendance is taken daily. That is why these classes are recorded live, so that later on we can find who was regular, who was sincere, who was following the instructions, everything. So take them seriously. Fire insurance. So in the fire insurance, the insured will compensate only when the loss is due to the fire, and it should be accidental, not deliberate. Number next is marine insurance. Marine, you understand? Ships, waterways. Ships travel from one place to another, one country to another, and a lot of goods are transported from one place to another, one country to another. So they need to be insured. They need to be insured. Marine insurance, in which either the whole ship is insured, right? Either the goods are insured. So there are different types of insurances in marine insurance. Ship types of marine insurance. Number one is ship or hull insurance. Look at your book. Are you able to find the topics? Ship or hull insurance. In this, the whole ship is insured against fire, against collision. Sometimes ship collide with, right? Titanic, you must have heard, it collided with an iceberg. Therefore, collision is cause of loss to ship. Sink, sometimes ships sink, डूब जाते हैं. Against that also, so whole ship is taken. Whole ship's insurance is taken. Any loss due to any of these causes to ship will also cause in the loss of goods. जो भी उससे ट्रांसपोर्ट हो रही है, जो भी उससे जो है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आप भेज रहे हैं goods, उनको भी नुकसान होगा. The goods will also be damaged. Therefore, any loss to ship causes the loss to. So ship company gets the ship insured against all these type of losses. Number two is cargo insurance. Cargo, you understand? Cargo means the goods which are being transported through ships from one place to another. उसका इंश्योरेंस होता है. उनको अगर कोई लॉस होता है ट्रांसपोर्ट के दौरान, चाहे वो चोरी हो जाए, राइट, और सिंक, डूब जाए because of leakage, if the liquid is being transported, तो लिक्विड जो है वो लीक हो सकता है, राइट, इवेपोरेट हो सकता है. तो all the probable losses will be all the probable losses will be insured. Number next is freight insurance. Freight means fare, kiraya. Freight means fare और किराया of the goods. उसका भी इंश्योरेंस होता है कि अगर सामान पहुंचेगा नहीं डेस्टिनेशन में तो वो किराया तो देंगे नहीं. कौन? द परचेजर. सो दैट फ्राइट विल बी पेड बाय द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. उसका भी इंश्योरेंस होता है. और द मैरीन इंश्योरेंस इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी. इसमें जो आपके एलिमेंट्स हैं, इट इज ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी. हमने पढ़ा था प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंडेमनिटी विच डज नॉट अप्लाइज टू लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, बट प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंडेमनिटी कहता है आपका, और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी इट इज नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट मेकिंग. दीज आर नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट मेकिंग. इसमें सिर्फ द इंश्योर्ड इज टू बी पुट इन द सेम कंडीशन in which he was before the loss. Number 2, utmost good faith. This principle also need to be followed in marine insurance. Principle of utmost good faith, that both the parties, insurer and insured, should disclose all the necessary information to one another. Nothing should be kept as secret. Nothing should be kept as secret. And all the details required must be told to one another. This is also one of the, I would say, most important element of the insurance. Then there is insurable interest. Mahima, do you remember insurable interest? Principle of insurable interest. Suhani, turn on the camera. Principle of insurable interest. Mahima?
No, sir.
Forward?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Sujal? Do you remember? Arjun?
No, sir.
Don't know. Principle of insurable interest, that the insured should have peculiar interest in the subject matter. आप किस चीज का इंश्योरेंस कराएंगे बेटा? जिस पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट में आपका इंटरेस्ट होगा, आपकी होगी, जिससे आपको कोई लॉस होता होगा. मीन्स टू से दैट द इंश्योर्ड शुड हैव इंटरेस्ट इन द सब्जेक्ट मैटर और द ऑब्जेक्ट और एनीथिंग ऑफ विच द इंश्योरेंस इज बीइंग टेकन. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस वी टेक बिकॉज it is our life. It is our life and we have to take care of it. We are bothered about it, about its safety, security. So we take life insurance. Health insurances we take. किसका लेते हैं? अपना लेते हैं ना. Car insurance we take. Bike insurance you take. Shop का अपनी insurance कराते हैं. Why? All these are directly related to us. In case of loss to these things, I will suffer loss. Therefore, the insured should have a peculiar interest in these things. So whatever insurance is done in marine also, in that case also, this principle of insurable interest holds good, applies. Also, if the loss is due to the cause, if the loss is due to the cause which is insured in the, which is covered in the policy, then only the insurance company will provide compensation. Otherwise no compensation is provided in the insurance. Afterwards you see there is a table given, and in that table difference between life insurance, fire insurance and marine insurance is given. difference between life insurance, fire insurance and marine insurance is given. Very important it is. If you go through, you will be able to understand all three more clearly. All the three more clearly. Everything is given there on the basis of different heads. All insurable interest, duration, indemnity principle, right? What is the aim of the insurance? Life insurance, marine insurance and आपका fire insurance. Life insurance, the main aim is to get the compensation and provide it to the nominees or our successors so that they do not suffer economically they will not suffer because they will get some sort of compensation at the time of the death of the insured. So it is only to recover the loss in economic terms, not the life. Life will not come back, beta. Life will not come back. Only the money can be paid to the nominees. उसके बाद आपका ये है what is the risk involved in this, क्या कवर करते हैं उसमें. Life insurance only we cover the causes, different causes. इसलिए आजकल तो you must have seen health insurance भी कराते हैं लोग, right? In that health insurance different diseases are covered. Different diseases are covered. People have become more aware these days, aware. So this is all for today, and I hope tomorrow you all will have the books, those who have not got it till now, and others, those who have not joined, they will also join from tomorrow. And that is all for today. If you want to ask something, you can ask. Notebooks, many of you have not got checked. Don't think that students are not getting their notebooks checked. Many students have already got their notebooks corrected, checked. They have already got it checked. Maybe they have not told you, but they have got it corrected. So whenever possible, get your notebooks checked by the teacher. Okay, up to chapter number 4 in business, and chapter number 9 is going on in accounts. Very soon we will start chapter number 10 in account, cash book. In the first term, you will have in accounts almost 15 chapters, 1-5. And in business, I told you 6 chapters. Next month, you have periodic tests, or you call them unit tests. Next month you have, and for that also, I will give you the numbers on Monday. Or by the end of this week, I will give you the syllabus for periodic test. It is compulsory for all. Those who will not take part in that, they will be marked 0. All the absentees will be marked 0 for the tests. They are very, very compulsory. Board is asking for all the details. Everything is on record. Therefore, be very serious about tests, about your notebooks, and about the attendance in the class. Anybody want to ask anything or have some doubts? Any question you can ask. You can unmute yourself and you can ask any question regarding the subject, regarding any other information. Bilal, you joined late today. Anjali is also not regular. Pooja also not regular. Please be regular and also insist your classmates motivate them to join the classes regularly. Now be ready for your next class. In short while you will have your next class. So I take your leave. Take good care of yourself. Stay at home, complete your work, and see you tomorrow in the class. Goodbye. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.